Let's begin today's lecture. Today's lecture is about the Canterbury Tales, which is written by Geoffrey Chaucer in the end of the 14th century. Canterbury Tales is an unfinished collection of 24 comic and moral stories told by a group of pilgrims who were going to the shrine of Thomas A. Becket at Canterbury. There were total 30 pilgrims, including Chaucer, and all of them had to tell four stories, that is, four tales. Two tales in the outward journey and two tales in the return journey. So, how many tales? Total were 30 into 4 equal to 120 tales. But Chaucer could not complete those 120 tales as he died. He could only complete 24 tales, in which 20 are completed and fourth were only begun at that time. So we have 24 tales in all in the Canterbury Tales. It is said that Chaucer may be indebted to Boccaccio for the idea of the Canterbury Tales. So the Canterbury Tales is presented as a storytelling contest where everyone, including the 29 pilgrims and Chaucer, has to tell tales, that is stories. And what was the prize? The prize was a free meal at Tabard in Southwark. So the Canterbury Tales is presented as a story within a story, because after all, the Canterbury Tales is a story which is written by Geoffrey Chaucer, and the story is also containing many stories which is told by the pilgrims and Chaucer. So the Canterbury Tales is the most important work of Geoffrey Chaucer, as it gives us a snapshot of the age, that is a sense of medieval life through a range of characters. We have 29 pilgrims and Chaucer who are from different walk of life and represent different morals. Portrait and story of each pilgrim. We are shown portrait and the picture of that era through the story and tales of each pilgrim. The Canterbury Tales was published in 1478 by the Caxton's printing press. Points to remember: the knight tells the first tale and the parson tells the last tale. Prose. In the complete Canterbury Tales, we have prose as well, and the prose is the tale of Melibœus and the parson's tale. And all other tales are written in decasyllabic or heroic couplet. So let's discuss some of the major features of the Canterbury Tales, which includes the old feudal order in which there is knight, squire, yeoman and plowman; the merchant class, which includes merchant, man of law, guildsman, cook; the ecclesiastical class includes prioress, monk, friar and pardoner. And this is entertaining and open to a range of interpretations. Like, many critics have taken the Canterbury Tales in their own way. The Canterbury Tales can also be seen as a literary tour because it includes romances. For example, that is The Wife of Bath's Tale, Fabliogs, The Miller's Tale, the stories of saints' lives, sermons, that is the Parson's Tale, and allegories, that is the Pardoner's Tale.